Welcome to the Cool Crochet Society's 2022 Crochet Along, the Country Garden Crochet Along. I'm Kelly. I'm from the Cool Crochet Society, and I've been dying to show you the Country Garden lapgan for so long now, and it's finally ready to show off and tell you all about it and how you can join in. Okay, so what do you need to know? So the Country Garden blanket, it's a lapgan. So it's not a full-size double bed blanket. It's just a nice size to sit on your lap while you're sitting on the couch. So it's a very colourful blanket. I've used 16 colours for this. So lots and lots of colour in there. But it's based on a country garden kind of layout and what you would find there. So we've got our grass in the middle with daisies strewn about. We've got paths. We've got trellises. We've got all the lovely flower beds. And finished off with a border filled with fluttering butterflies. So it's quite a fun design and a little bit different from me, but as always it's filled with lots of different stitches. There's around 18 different crochet stitches in this, so not quite as many as my previous crochet alongs, but there's also 5 designs of squares in there that I've not done before, that are brand new for this. But like my past crochet alongs, there is a lot of support in this. So each week you'll get a piece of the pattern and it'll be published for free on my blog, or you can purchase the ad-free PDF from Ravelry. And each week you'll get an update for your Ravelry library so you can access the new pattern. So like my last crochet alongs, this is done over quite a long time. It's 37 weeks. And I do my crochet alongs this way so that those with busy lives, around jobs and kids, can keep up and crochet with the rest of the community. And I'm one of them. I can never keep up with a traditional crochet along of 10 weeks. It's far too much for me to manage. So that's why I do it over so many weeks. So the pattern will be released at 8 p.m. on a Friday. That's UK time, GMT. And you can also sign up to email alerts so you can get the links direct to your inbox. And you can find the link to that underneath this video. Okay, so what else do we need to know? So for this pattern, we're using Aran weight yarn, which is also known as worsted and full weight yarn. You'll need around 2,500 meters or 2,750 yards to complete the entire project. And below you'll find a list of colours and how much I use for each one. Okay, the link to that is below the video. So as I said, I've used 16 colours and there's a lot going on. So for the blanket you see in the pictures in this video, I've used Paintbox Cotton Aran, and that's the yarn from Love Crafts. In the videos and the pictures for the pattern, I've used Karen Simply Soft. And for both weights of yarn, I've used a 5mm hook, and I've used that hook all the way through. If you have a tendency to chain tight, you might find it useful to have a 5.5mm hook on hand as well. There is a particular round where if you chain too tight, it's going to make your entire blanket kind of crimp up, which you don't want to happen. So it's a good idea to have that hook if you do tend to chain tight. We'll be starting the KEL on the 11th of February 2022, and that'll be 8 p.m. On a Friday. We do have a Facebook group, so if you would like to join the community, you can find the link to that below. And I think that's all the information we need. So let's have a look at some of the close-ups for the blanket and what you can be expecting. When we start our blanket, we're going to start in the middle with our lawn, scattered with daisies, and then surrounded by beautiful flower beds. So we've got several types of flower represented, tulips, marigolds, bluebells, and well, whatever you want those blue and purple ones to be. Then after our flower beds, we add a border of more grass, followed by a path around the edges, and then we start with these lovely puff flowers to really add a nice border around our whole blanket. And then after that we move on to the diamond stitch, which adds a trellis look, and the arrow stitch is around on either side as well. And then we get to our outer layers. There's a lot going on in this outer layer. We have a square in each corner, which is unique to each corner. We've got more flower borders, and a couple of these are in quite unique techniques. You don't see them around very often, and I love trying out new things that you don't see very often. So these were right up my street, and I hope you'll enjoy them as well. But we've got some more traditional rectangle panels of a single stitch in there as well. So something nice, a little bit easier there as well. And then we come to our outer border, which is a sky filled with fluttering butterflies. So a nice little technique there. And we'll finish with a nice simple last round just to finish it off. And there you have it. The Cool Crochet Society's 2022 Crochet Along, the Country Garden Lapgan. I really hope you enjoy this. I absolutely loved making this and all the different techniques in it. So if you would like to follow along when we start on February 11th, then subscribe to this channel and you'll see all the videos once they're loaded each Friday. We'll have left-handed and right-handed versions. And of course, you can click the link below to subscribe to the Facebook group. You can subscribe to email alerts as well. So I hope to see you then, and see you soon. Bye for now.